Hello and welcome to the 411 on Making Money Online. Today we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing on YouTube. If you're looking to monetize your YouTube channel or enhance your affiliate marketing efforts, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore some strategies for affiliate marketing success on YouTube. So grab your notes and pen and let's get started. Introduction to affiliate marketing on YouTube. First, let's take a quick look at what YouTube affiliate marketing is all about. By promoting goods or services through your own unique affiliate links, you make a commission for every sale or action that comes from them. This is called performance-based marketing. Affiliate marketing on YouTube means making videos to sell those goods or services and using the viewers of your channel to make affiliate sales. To monetize your YouTube channel, you need 1,000 followers and 4,000 watch time hours before you can apply for the YouTube partnership program. However, you can start promoting affiliate products and making a commission on everything sold by your affiliate link from day one. Picking the right niche. Picking the right niche is the first thing you need to do to be successful with YouTube affiliate marketing. You should pick a niche that fits with the material of your channel and your own interests. You'll find it easier to write content that your viewers will enjoy. Do a lot of research on your niche and find goods or services that meet the needs and wants of your target audience. Picking out affiliate programs. Picking the right advertising programs comes next after picking your niche. Find affiliate programs that offer well-known items or services that fit your niche. Consider things like payout methods, fee rates, and cookie length. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and many others are well-known affiliate business platforms. Making good content. Your content is the most important part of YouTube ad marketing. To be successful, you need to make high-quality, useful material that teaches, entertains, or helps people with their problems. And add your affiliate goods to the content without making them stand out. You could make comparison videos, how-to guides, product reviews, or other types of videos. Explain how the service or product can help people. Number 5, saying who your affiliates are. Being honest is very important in affiliate marketing. Always tell your users, let them know about any affiliate relationships you have. This makes people believe you and make sure you follow the law and ethical procedures. In the video description, you can put your affiliate links there, and during the video, you can tell people to use your affiliate links if they find the product or service useful. Call to actions and tracking. To get the most out of the affiliate marketing, make sure your videos have clear and compelling calls to action, or CTAs. Get people to click on your ad links and do what you want them to do, like making a purchase. Tracking tools and data can also help you keep an eye on how well your affiliate links are doing. This helps you figure out what's going good and what maybe needs some work. Building trust and authority. It's very important to build trust and authority in your field. People are more likely to believe your advice if you are trustworthy. Give honest, in-depth reviews of the goods or services you're promoting and talk about your own experiences with them. Talk to your crowd by answering their questions and comments. This conversation can help your reputation even more. A/B testing and optimization. Affiliate marketers who do well often do A/B testing and optimization. This means you should try out various tactics, content types, and advertising methods to see which ones work best for your audience. Keep an eye on your click-through rates, conversion rates, and other data to help you improve your strategy over time. Increasing the size of your efforts. As you get better at affiliate marketing and see results, you might want to increase the size of your efforts. You can do this by making more goods, working with other creators, or even making your own courses and products and promote them on YouTube. If you want to grow your ad marketing on YouTube, the sky is the limit. Make sure rules are followed when trends are changing. Finally, keep in mind that affiliate marketing is a field that is always changing. Update yourself on changes to rules and regulations and be flexible enough to adapt to new trends in your area. To keep your affiliate marketing success going, keep learning and improving. This is the end of our guide to making money with YouTube's affiliate marketing. You can effectively make money from your YouTube channel by picking the right topic, picking the best affiliate programs, making useful videos, and being honest. I hope this video provides you with value and inspires you to take a chance on starting your own journey towards financial success by potentially making money online. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more valuable content, and share this video with those who may be interested. Until next time, thanks for watching.